of the worst injuries happened at this home. Hard to believe the couple inside survived. The tornado leveled the house. Volunteers came to help with cleanup this morning. Firefighters pulled the couple from the rubble last night. The fire chief says the wind actually helped save them.
That rubble could have buried those folks, and the wind took it looks to me like the wind took all that rubble and moved it off to the side, creating less of a weight on the individuals.
Couple was rushed to the hospital. She has been upgraded from critical to fair. Her husband's injuries were not life-threatening.